dishwasher, and I want you to take out the dishes and hand them to me.
Okay.
And we're gonna make stacks of the same thing. You know what I mean?
Yes.
Put all the plates in one place and put all the glasses in the other. So you take them out and hand them to me.
Man, that's more.
Okay. First, I'll establish the place. Okay. Gives me. Go there. Well, this is a different shape, so I'm going to make a different stack for that, honey. And where does this one? Well, this is a different kind. Okay. No, honey, I want to put it over here. Oh, that's a different shape, honey. Okay, let's close the bottom and start doing the glasses. Honey, pull it closed. Now you're taking out the bowls first. And that's a different kind of bowl. Where does that go? Alright, let's do the glasses.
I forgot about this.
Okay.
We would have to buy new one of those.
Where should I put this? It doesn't look like the others. A nice flower on it. Where do these go? What if I put it over here?
Okay.
Can you put that over there for me? Over here. And I asked you to put it over here. Thank you. That's where all the mugs go.
Okay, I'm starting to enjoy this.
Hand it to me. Can you look at me? Thank you.
I'm starting to enjoy this a little. Just a teeny tiny bit. I'm enjoying it a little. I'm enjoying it a little.
Honey, you can put this one back on the counter. See how they spin around? I like red. You like watching them spin around? Okay, put them down. Here, I'm going to stack these. Don't do that, honey. TJ, look at me. I'm going to make a stack like this.
Okay.
Where do you want to put them?
I'll put that right.
Okay, stop playing, honey. Very good, thank you.
Now I'm enjoying this a little more when we were doing the.
Isn't that fun?
No, I'm gonna do that again.
Okay.
That one can go next.